Hello, and thank you for watching 2carpros.com. In this video, we are going to show you how to troubleshoot a window that won't work for most cars. Let's start with removing any hardware holding some plastic pieces to the door panel. Next is to locate and remove any hardware holding the door panel to the door. Remove any manual unlocking or locking device to the door panel. Our next step is to remove the door panel. Next is to remove the switch assembly from the door panel. At this point, we are able to do our troubleshooting using a test light. Our first step of troubleshooting is finding the constant power on the switch. Our test light is lit up, indicating that we have found constant power. Now that we have found constant power, we are going to use our test light with a metal pick attachment on constant power while we test the switch. Doing this will test the switch's circuitry. Notice how we move the switch one way and the test light lights up. Moving the switch the other way, the test light doesn't light up, letting you know the switch is bad. Remove the plug assembly from the plastic door panel piece. To confirm our diagnostics, on our window motor switch, we ran a positive and negative wire from the battery. Then, we plugged the wires to the window motor wires, allowing you to see if the window motor works or if it wasn't the switch. In our case, it was a switch, and the window motor does not need to be replaced. Remove the plug assembly from the door handle shroud. Remove the switch from the switch assembly. We like to compare our new switch to our old switch to be sure a proper install. Install your new switch to the switch assembly. Install the switch assembly back into the door handle shroud. Install your door panel back onto the door. Our next step is to return the connectors back to the switch assembly. Return the door handle shroud back to the door panel and install any manual unlocking or locking device. Install any hardware to the door panel, holding the door panel to the door. Install any leftover pieces to the door panel. This video has been done by 2carpros.com. Thank you for watching.